So for some reason, this final section right here doesn't seem to be loading properly. Let's see. So it's actually just being pushed up by oh no, it's an entire cell. There we go. I think we're good now. There is a little bit of extra space here though. And I think if we remove this, then this part will be a little uneven. What we could technically do is just increase the size of each of these. I might just do that. Maybe even make them match the same size as these platforms here. I mean these scaffolding pieces. Another thing we could technically do is another sprite here. Yeah, and that would fix our problem. But then in that case, we might want to in the script here, we might want to increase this to 4. Yeah, there we go. Oh, and we didn't make sure that these don't clash with each other. I think we'll just have to increase the z index of this one right here. Probably put it on -1. Or I think what we could also do is just put our spring at 2. Let's see. What's our typical z index for this? It's usually on 0. Oh no, it's usually on 4. So we'll put this on 5. I think we'll want to bring this one shade down just so it's not clashing too much with the foreground there. I don't know if we have something darker. I hope we do. Check our files real quick. Yeah, we do. Okay. Oh, the only thing is it's too dark and it clashes with our background there. Let me see what we could do. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I thought I changed that in the settings. But yeah, no, it's a game that I'm working on called Afterlife. I'm sorry for the clickbait. Hey, how's it going, SWP? Alright, so there's not much we could really do if we... You know what I think we could do? We could just manipulate this color. Alright, let's just try it. I think we could, probably do this. Hopefully that fixes the issue. The scaffolding will look a little simpler now, but it'll still be relatively dark, and I hope it won't flash as much as it did before. Only one way to find out. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. I think we'll keep it like this. For this part, we're still going to fix the 2x2s real quick. Let's do the same exact thing here. So this color is going to be our main one, our main dark one here. Looks good. Alright, so I think the next thing we're going to work on is the lighting. I've already made some form of lighting in our game, but I'm going to make it a little bit more dynamic. And we actually implemented this before too, but I think I've deleted it since then. So we're going to try it again. And this time it's also going to act as a checkpoint. When we're in between rooms, so like let's say we wanted to have a checkpoint here, that lamp, once it's lit up, will show that it's that it's a checkpoint, and maybe we'll add some sort of like sound indication to it too. Let me see if I can find an example. If it's in our game, it's later on in the game, but I'm pretty sure I've probably deleted all of them. Yeah, I don't think it's in our game, at least not right now. So we'll work on that. Let's see. First, I need to grab those textures. And we actually have a bunch of them, like a bunch of different lighting sprites. But I think our main one is going to be. Let me just make a new sprite sheet real quick. Going to be this one for the most part. Maybe we could use this one too. Although this seems more common for like outside structures. This one, the inside. So lit and lit. And actually, maybe we'll want to have 2 or like 3 versions of this. One where it's lit to show that it's our most recent checkpoint, and then one where it's like medium lit to show that it's it is a checkpoint, but it's not our current checkpoint. I think that would be a good way to like represent our checkpoints there. So let's go here again. I'm gonna make this 16 plus 8, 24. Grab these. This here. Put one final one here. And don't know how good it's gonna look. Let's try this. Maybe we could put. I think I'll leave it like that. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay. And we'll leave this here. Call it and I think I'm gonna make this object from scratch. I know we have a bunch of like, we do have a bunch of these scenes in our game, but I think I want to just make it from scratch in case we've missed something in the past. So we'll start out with a node 2D, add a sprite, U, lamp. What did I call it? I thought I called it new lamp. Is it? No. New chain lamp. Alright, so we have unlit, we have lit, and then medium lit. Let's actually switch these two up. Unlit, medium lit, fully lit. Okay. And what we're gonna do is, wait, let me see what's the size of this. This is 4 pixels across. The only issue is that our chains, for the most part, are 3 pixels across. So either we want to make a see here. So, I mean, we do have these chains as well, which would fit a little nicer here. But I kind of don't like the way these look. If we use these, it's going to be off by 1 pixel. We could maybe decrease the size of these, shrink it by a pixel. Make this a little wider. Let me try it out. Oh wait, we'd have to make them like that? Oh no. Let's do this. Why isn't it, not up to, oh, there we go. Let's move all of these. One moves it to the right. And there we go. So now we can use our chain raycast to automatically draw these chains, and it'll perfectly align here. I think this looks pretty good. We're probably going to want to change the color of these chains. I think we do have a different version of that somewhere here. No, not that one. Yeah, we'll probably make that darker. The only other thing is that it might actually clash with the background here. We'll find out pretty soon. Let's put this in scenes. For now, it's gonna go into. We have like a background. Whoa, what is this? Came in at 90 degrees. Did we, oh, because we put it as a child of our spring there. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't clash actually. Unless, let's run it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Hey, how's it going, Sparky? Tile updates? Oh, nice. Awesome. Do I want you to resend the animated ones? Which ones are you talking about? You don't have to send it right now. I'm just working on the lamps right now, trying to make them more dynamic here. What I think we're going to want to do as well, we're going to first add some scripts to this and fix this chain up here. So I think I could just add the chain links object here and it should automatically draw these chains for us. Don't know where the origin is. I'm just gonna run it real quick and see what happens. It's either here or here. Oh, not even close. It's closer to the origin, and it should be 8 pixels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try that. It's actually, it should be 5 actually, if I remember correctly. Oh, one more and what seems like 2 to the left. One more to the left. And then we'll fix up the, oh wow, it was right on the origin. We also want to make sure Make a new chain. Oh, one thing we're also going to want to do is make sure. It's going to be pretty hard to see if we make it the same color as this part right here for the lamp. But I might just try it out. That's chain. It's just chain. Yeah. And what we'll do here for our chain, for our regular chains, is I'm actually going to make this an export value. And for now, actually, let's do this. So apparently we can't preload a variable. At least not there. We could just say chain is equal to, in our ready function, we could just say so strange. Okay, there we go. Chain path. So I think this should work the same way, but now we get to change the path here. So if, let's say we want to use background chain instead. There we go. It's a little hard to tell it's a chain, but I think that's fine. Alright, so next we're gonna have to figure out. We do have these room switcher nodes here, and this is basically what our checkpoints are. We could either add this as a child to this node here, and then possibly have this send a signal, connect the signal to this to tell it to light up. I think that's what we might want to do. We also might want to add it to all of, like, add these lights to a group, and then have each of these nodes, like, basically communicate with each other. So if this one gets activated, we'll tell this one to turn off or to go into, like, that medium mode, and it might still light up the room, but it just won't be super lit up. Let's see. let's do this. I think what we'll do is we're going to add another export value to this lamp chain. Maybe either that or we're going to add it to we'll add it to the chain lamp for now. Let's do this. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, that's fine. So by default, it's not going to be a checkpoint, but if it is, we're going to want to func ready and add our room switcher here. We'll do room path, and if checkpoint, let's just add this as a child. Oh, so the main issue with this is that it can't be a child. We'll have to actually put this in the room switcher, not the other way around. So let's actually cross all this out. Probably remove this. Yeah, for the most part, I might be handling particle animations with code rather than with art, or rather than with pixel art, because we could like manipulate it a lot more. All right, let's go into our room switcher here. Hit signal, player enter. Let's do this. And you know what? We could do this. Export our lamp path. We might have to move this object around a bit. Let's see. We'll find out pretty soon. Oh, we never added it. So yeah, at the moment it's a little too high. We're gonna want to grab a reference to that real quick. Let's do our lamp. And we're going to want to move this maybe this 1, 2, 3. Let's try 4 for now. Let's try -8. And that should be it. And then after we're done with this, we're gonna add a signal. Let's just do it now. Actually, we do have this var signal player entered. So what we'll do here is we'll say connect. Reconnecting ourselves. Yeah, we are. Self.connect. Lamp, and we're gonna have to add another function. For now, we'll just keep it like that. But eventually, we're gonna want to add a function to our lamp saying light up or turn on our light 2D node, something like that. And then we're gonna have to connect. Actually, we're gonna have to connect it to all other nodes, or we're just gonna have to access all other lamps and make sure that they turn off when we've entered this root switcher here. So let's see. We've connected our lamp. Let's do this. So we're going to want to move it a little bit more to the right. Let's just see what happens here. Alright, yeah. Works perfectly. Let's see. Maybe 4 to the right. There we go. When we die, it's still on. We need to make sure that stays activated. That's going to be a little hard to do. We'll see, we'll see. I think we already have a default light system in place. I'm just gonna add it, see how it works. Placing the origin on the handle of the lamp doesn't help. You could. It doesn't really matter where you place it, but I do like to make it not centered. And that's because I want it to match the tile set. Like everything is based on the tile map, so like. The origin is always on the top left. Yeah. So the thing with Godot is that you can't put, like you could technically automatically place it, but you have to write a script. So like I have the script automatically placing certain items, but for this particular case, I just drag in the objects themselves. In Godot 4.0, you will have the ability to do that. I just don't feel the need to at the moment. But yeah, you technically could place objects with a tile map. Alright, so it works fine. The lighting doesn't work just yet. I don't know why. find out right now. It says it's enabled. Let me max out the energy here. Okay. So okay, so it's it is there. It's just, I guess, not strong enough. Oh, that looks so strange. So this actually should be not a light node, it should be a light mask. And I assume we already did that. The mode is mix. What is our player at? Yeah, our player also uses one energy mix. I think it actually uses the default as well. Yeah, it does. Okay. So if we go back, let's just see. Maybe I just didn't notice the lighting. Oh yeah, it is there. Okay. It's there. It's actually there before it turns on. We want to make sure that it's... Honestly, I might make the game a little darker. That's too dark. No, I think that's fine. One thing I'm wondering, I wonder why the shadows don't work anymore. It might be actually, I know why. We didn't add any light occluders to these objects just yet. I'll do that right now, actually. Unfortunately, we have to do this for every object. Whoa. Nope. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why is that happening? It's because our snap options here. So by default, I think we'll have shadows on all of our lightings, but for some reason, I don't know if this is still a problem with Godot, but when I use too many shadow objects in our game, the game tends to lag out a bunch, or like our frame rate drops. Let's see if that still happens. Okay, so yeah, we do have shadows in the game. This isn't too many light sources. Right now there's only 3 in this room. I do want to see. Let's just try it out. See what happens if we add like 20. Oh, nice. So we aren't getting that FPS issue anymore. So we can have a lot more dynamic lights in our game. One thing that's strange is that these chains are actually... We're drawing too many of them. So we'll have to fix that. I wonder why we're drawing so many. Let's see. Because this distance here should actually be 5, I believe. Instead of 8. Although... that -8 there. Let's try it again. Yeah, they're overstepping. But it's not by a crazy amount, but it's enough to be too much. Let's see what's going on there. Go into our script here. This should be right. Our tile distance is only... It should only go past our tile distance there. Oh, we do have the tile distance already printing. So let's go into this room. Our tile distance is 8.2. So it says it's 8 point. Let me look at this again. You're here for the Afterlife R34 content? You got it. For eye and tile distance, what we should be doing actually is so we're creating it. This is technically a for loop going from 0 to 8. This actually should be tile distance. That's so strange. Wait. Tile distance is 8.2 here. If we look back at our room, our tile distance should only be... Technically, it should only be... This is, I guess, around 8 pixels rather than... and 5. Let's see here. Oh, what the hell? Why is this, why is our chain the size of, like a pixel? It's less than a pixel here. Do we have our Z index messed up here? Oh my goodness, that's why. It's probably why it was messing up. That was in our... Oh, no, whoops. It was fine the way it was. That was for our light 2D. I'm gonna make sure that this is in our chain links. We do want to go back to 8 here. Yeah, this should be 16 or around 16. But at the moment it's getting 8.2. And this actually, oh, okay. This should be +1, not but plus 8. That was my bad. So I think it should work now. Oh, we gotta get rid of that camera. There we go. And what's nice is that we're not getting that frame rate drop. I'm gonna try it out on my laptop, on my other laptop, just to make sure. But yeah, should work properly now. I made the light. Are you talking about this right here? So for the lamp, they switch colors if that's what you're talking about. This where they turn on. Yeah, honestly, it might be from the stream. So another thing we're going to want to do is also record this on our level manager here to make sure that we keep the correct lights on. We're going to have to like have a reference to all of them. Yeah, for these are going to be our each of these lights turn on, like right now I'm spamming it. Like they're not going to be as many in our game, but yeah, when you walk through it, it activates the checkpoint and it turns on. And then I also made a second version of them. Or I mean a third version, so this is when they're off, this is when they're medium lit, and this is when they're lit. The lit version represents your current checkpoint. This one represents that it is a checkpoint, but it's not activated. And then unlit just means, yeah, it's just not a working light. I'm gonna animate them too so that the light 2D node looks cooler, but I'm probably not gonna do that now. I'm kind of tired. I'll save that for another stream. Yeah, I'm gonna head out, guys. I'll see you around.